Okay, this video is for water heater replacement at 4741 El Porto Court. Water heater is in the garage on a platform. We have new drip pan. The drain of the drip pan is secured. Gas hookup, new gas cock, drip leg, new flex, and we're rated for 118,000 BTU on the flex, and we're 40,000 on the water heater. We've got earthquake straps. Two of them were locked in the back, so the water heater is secure. Insulated all water lines, expansion tank. Flue has a ceiling ring, and PRV is down within 6 inches of the garage floor. Going inside, we have 3 bedrooms. Into the hallway, we got 1 CO detector. In the hallway, 1 smoke detector. Master bedroom, smoke detector. First bedroom, smoke detector. And the last bedroom, smoke detector. That's it.